Remuage. The typical French pronunciation here is remuage, remuage, but you can say remuage, remuage. Remuage is a French term that translates into riddling. Riddling. It is often used for the production of champagne wines and other sparkling wines such as the Cava wines made in Spain. It is the operation that consists in gradually tilting the bottle's neck down while rotating it by small increments clockwise and then anti-clockwise. As the angle of tilt increases, the forces of gravity draw the sediment of yeasts into the neck. So this is a process that allows to remove the yeasts that are dead after the fermentation in bottle. Remuage, riddling, champagne riddling, remuage in champagne.